Hey y'all, so today we're going to do a box opening of the Tech Marie Ultra Fast Hair Dryer. So it comes in a box like this. So this is how it looks. Take it off the box. So it comes with the dryer itself, the attachment, and the user manual. Okay, so let's look at the user manual. It doesn't come with that though. You have to get that yourself. So here's everything you need to know. Oh, you can get a replacement if something happened to it within 2 years of purchase, which is great. Now, if you damage it or, by yourself, then, that's not covered. But 2-year replacement if something goes wrong with it. So you just connect this. It's like a magnet. Oh, that's cool. It has like a magnet here. And it just connects into there really tightly. Like, you have to really pull to undo that. So that's how you do it. Let's take all the paper off of it. So it does come wrapped, so it won't be scratched up. Let's take it off. You do have to take this off before you use it, of course, because it's covering the vents. Okay, take this piece off. I usually like to leave these on, but for the video, I'm going to take it off. This part anyways. And then there's also one on the button, so you do have to take that off before trying to turn it on. So that's how it looks. Let's get a close-up. So we have the on button, the off button, the fan, and the power. I think this is what you cut it up like to change the heating settings. So this is the nozzle that it comes with. And like I said, let's take it off. It's like magnetic. It pulls it into the end and it fits into these little circle slots right there. So it just goes like that. This is the vent. You can do it vertical or horizontal, either one you choose. You can remove this for cleaning, so that comes off to clean the vent. And then you just twist it back on. Okay. I have one of my mannequins here. I washed her hair so I can show y'all how the blow dryer works. She does have human-like hair, so her hair curls and straightens same as your hair would. So I'm gonna show y'all the blow dryer in action. So I'm gonna put this back on like I showed y'all. It just snaps into here with the magnetic. So let me move her out the way. So we're gonna cut it on. So this is the on button. You just flick it. Oh, actually, hold on. So I told y'all, I told y'all earlier that this was the on button, this was off. But this is actually the on button. Y'all, that got some serious power. Okay, so this is the on and off button. This is I think to cool it down if it get too hot. Like a regular blow dryer. So cut it on. This is the fan. Okay, so let me cut. So the fan goes from low, medium to high. That's high, low, and medium. Okay, so let's cut it back on. We're going to see what the temperature is. I'm trying to cut it off so y'all can hear me talking. So I'm going to cut it back on and see how far the temperature goes. This cools it down. When you hold it down, let it go, and the temperature goes down. And then you put it back up. Oh, it goes to 212. So the temperature goes to 212. You have to let it rise up. I'm going to change the fan to high. I don't know if y'all can see how fast that's drying. Oh, look how fast that's dry. And that's on 212. I'm going to hold this down to stop it to cool it down before I cut it off. Now I'm going to cut it off. Y'all, look how fast that dried. This is the fastest that I have ever dried even this mannequin doll's hair. So I can just imagine when I do the girls on my hair with this. This is crazy. Look at that. That's 100% dry. Do you know how long my other blow dryers taking me to dry their hair? Even the I'm not gonna mention any name, but even the one I usually use does not dry that fast. Look how fast that is. That's crazy. That's so cool. I love it. Y'all, it literally took less than 3 minutes to blow dry her entire hair completely dry. And y'all, it gets down to the root. Like, I don't even, you know how you have to part the hair? I didn't have to part her hair. Like, the whole roots are literally dry. This is like one of the best blow dryers I have used. Like, no lie. No, I'm not capping. That's awesome. So I will leave the link down here to get one of these. I think they have like a 30% off code that you can use to get 30% off. So cool. Yeah. Yeah, better go get y'all one of these. Seriously, this is awesome. Love it. So I'm going to do the girls' hair so y'all can see it on their hair. They're not here right now. They're gone for the summer. So when they get back, I will show y'all this on their hair so y'all can see how it works on their hair. And I just thank y'all for watching. And remember, if y'all want this, y'all better go get y'all one of these. I will leave the link in the description box below and also in the comments. Thank y'all for watching.